Jess, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you guys, I just want to do a little DIY tutorial. Valentine's Day is coming up. Valentine's Day is Sunday. Today, currently, when I'm filming this video, it is Saturday. I wanted to show you guys that you can still spread the love and be able to provide for your spouse or your kids, loved ones, all of that, and it be inexpensive. So I decided today to do a DIY Valentine's Day basket for my hubby, and I want to show you guys this creation in a video. If you guys don't know, which you should, because you should be following me on TikTok. If you're not, make sure you guys go over there and follow me right now. I did a DIY kids basket for you guys that you can go check out, but I want to save this spouse video for YouTube. So if you guys are excited for this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you are new, make sure you guys hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications. That way you'll be notified every single time I post and never miss a video. And also make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. All those links will be down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm just gonna get right into this video. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little montage of the finishing look. So here it is. Alright, you guys, so this was just a little DIY video, like I said, for a little last minute gift if you guys need to do that. And I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone, because when this video is posted, it will be Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you're feeling your girl Jazz. Bye.